guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thought I'd make a video about how to use the trains in Bangkok. The MRT line, yellow line and the BTS line. They all go to different places in Bangkok, so you can connect to each one across the lines, and such an easier way to be able to get around Bangkok. All of the main tourist attractions are close to the BTS, close to the MRT and close to the yellow line. So I just thought that I would show you how easy it actually is to be able to make your way and travel around Bangkok using the BTS. Taxis, tuk-tuks, all of these can scam you, especially the tuk-tuks and the taxis that you find on the street. I just thought that I would show you how to get around easy, safe and fast. A lot of the customers at my husband's tattoo shop, they often say that they use taxis to get around, and they complain about how much traffic there is in Bangkok. But if you do use the trains, then you will not have that problem at all. It's so simple. They come like so often. They come like every 3 minutes. It's so cheap as well. But they do have good apps called Bolt, Grab, and I think there's another one called InDrive now. They're also good, but I would recommend to try and use the train. They're very clean, they're so efficient, and they also have aircon in, so you don't have to worry about being hot. I will put a link of all of the main tourist attractions which are close to the BTS and the MRT. The BTS is mainly on the Sukhumvit Road. The yellow line, that goes to the train market, Dalat Lot Phai, which is one of my favorite markets in Bangkok. I do have a video about the train market, so please go and check that out. I will put the link in the description box. So I'm looking forward to taking you guys along on the train. Hope you do enjoy this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. There'll be lots of more content from me showing you around Bangkok, all the tips and tricks that you need to be able to enjoy Bangkok to its full potential. I know a lot of people who come to Bangkok, they always say, oh, I'm not really a fan of Bangkok, and they want to go south of Thailand. I was also the same when I first came to Bangkok. From living in Phuket for 7 years, I absolutely hated Bangkok. But now I know my way how to get around. I know the train lines very well, and I know where to go. Depends on your experience where you end up going and traveling, depending on whether you enjoy it or not. So hopefully I can make the enjoyment of Bangkok a lot better for you. So I've just arrived at Sea Bearing, which is the yellow line, one of the yellow line trains. They always have motorbike taxis outside of every BTS, MRT and yellow line. So once you come off, if you need to go somewhere which is 5 minutes away, then at least you can hop onto a motorbike taxi, which is a lot better than walking in the heat. Easy English signs to be able to show you like which platform you need to get on and which platform you need to get off. I always use Google Maps if I don't know where I'm going or which platform I need to get on or off at, because Google Maps always tells you, sorry, I'm out of breath. Google Maps always tells you which platform that you need to get on at and which platform you need to get off at, so that you're not on the opposite side of the road. Because I don't know if you've realized, but in Thailand they don't have a lot of crossings on the road, so it means that you would have to go over the bridge again to be able to get across the other side of the road. So it just makes sense to look on Google Maps before, so that is easier for you guys. So this is the yellow line route map. They have all the different colors of the lines to connect. I normally use the yellow, green and blue line, but they do have another 2 lines which go to the airport, Suvarnabhumi Airport. สวัสดีค่ะไปอ้อนนุกค่ะ So So they also have these machines at the train station which you can pay by Thai banking, but if you don't have a Thai bank then you won't be able to use it. Okay, so I've just got my ticket. This is the ticket that you can get at the train station. You just tell them where you want to go and then they will tell you how much. This was 38 baht to go around, I think it was around 10 stops, so it's so cheap compared to a taxi which probably would be like 100 and something. So something about temples which just is so beautiful, isn't it? Like they literally just make you feel so zen, and the way they decorate them and the way it's made is just unbelievable. Must take years and years to be able to make that. Great artists. I always admire artists. I'm going to be taking you to go and get my nails done. I really need them done badly, so I thought that would take you along. It's one of my favorite shops in Bangkok to go and get them done. It's on the BTS line, which is so convenient as well, and they literally cost around 400 baht. ใบเดียวค่ะใบลิงใช่ไหม15 บาท ขอบคุณที่ใช้บริการ They have these blue signs which show the exit points, and then the main tourist attraction or any main point of interest will be on the sign. So you can see which exit you need to get off at, which is quite helpful. I hope that it's made it more clear of how to use the train station. It's super easy, super quick, super simple. It's one of the most used public transports for Thai people, I think. Like you can just see by how many people are on the train every day, all day, like especially during rush hour it can get super busy. So if you don't want to be like crammed in the train, then I would recommend to skip rush hour, 8, 9 in the morning, and then also 5, 6 p.m. It's super busy, but nonetheless it's clean, simple, like there's not really any issues that I've ever had with the train. Yeah, so if you have any questions about the BTS, the MRT, whereabouts to go on the train, how to get there, just write in below and I will answer all the questions that I can. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.